Artificial intelligence is evolving faster than ever, and 2025 is the year it's changing everything. From writing to video editing, from voice creation to productivity, AI is making our lives easier, smarter, and more creative. So today I'll show you the top 5 AI tools that are transforming digital experiences around the world. Let's dive in. At number 1, ChatGPT, powered by OpenAI's latest model, GPT-5. It's more powerful, more accurate, and more creative than ever before. Whether you're writing scripts, coding, learning, or brainstorming, ChatGPT can do it all. It feels like talking to a real expert, available 24/7. No wonder millions of creators and professionals are using it daily. Next up, Runway ML. This tool is revolutionizing video editing with AI. You can create cinematic scenes, remove objects, and even turn text prompts into videos. It's like having a Hollywood studio right on your laptop. Perfect for YouTubers, filmmakers, and marketers who want next-level content fast. At number 3, Midjourney or Leonardo AI, both are leaders in AI image generation. Just type what you imagine, and they'll turn your words into stunning visuals. Perfect for designers, content creators, and anyone who wants eye-catching images without needing Photoshop skills. Coming in at number 4, Elevenlabs. It's an AI voice generator that sounds so realistic, you won't believe it's not human. You can clone your voice, create multilingual narrations, or produce podcasts and audiobooks in minutes. This is a game changer for creators, streamers, and filmmakers. And finally, Notion AI, your intelligent productivity assistant. It helps you write, summarize, plan projects, and manage your daily tasks effortlessly. It's like having a personal digital assistant that never gets tired. So those were the top 5 AI tools that are changing our world in 2025. Which one impressed you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And if you love exploring the latest tech and AI updates, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more smart tech videos every week. See you in the next one.